1. Introducing a stylish offering, the 1983 Buick Regal Custom Coupe 2D, now available for just $4,750. This low-mileage car with only 5,000 miles and automatic transmission stands out with its fresh white exterior and black interior. The owner has invested a lot of work in unique modifications to this Buick Regal. The car features 26-inch Dub Ballers wheels, replaced bumpers, and updated headlights. Under the hood is a powerful 350 cubic inch engine. While the carburetor needs cleaning, the car is ready to start and move. The frame has been shortened. Two 15-inch subwoofers are installed in the trunk, and the interior has been replaced with one from a Ford Fusion. The car comes with all the body kit. This 1983 Buick Regal serves as an excellent starting point for a project or can be used as a ready-to-go car that will undoubtedly turn heads. New spark plugs, wires, and a distributor cap are just a small part of the recent updates. If you're looking for something unique and stylish, this Buick Regal is the choice for you. 2. For $16,000, you get an impressive 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo with 84,000 miles on it. This car is equipped with a powerful 350 V8 engine, providing 300 horsepower, and a TurboFire 400 automatic transmission. Among its enhanced features are 202 cylinder heads, a new carburetor, and an upgraded camshaft. The exterior of the car stands out with a stylish brown color and a white top, while the interior is done in light tones. Included with the car are a 12-bolt rear end, Craigar wheels, a new fuel pump, and a modern Bluetooth-compatible audio system valued at $500. Despite some issues like an oil leak from the oil pan and a power steering leak, the car is ready for operation, and its overall condition is impressive. This is an excellent deal for enthusiasts of style and performance, highlighting the allure of classic cars. 3. Currently, my attention has been drawn to an excellent opportunity to acquire a stunning 1982 GMC 2500 regular cab. According to the seller, this model is part of the Scottsdale Custom Deluxe 2WD long bed lineup and is in excellent condition. With only 10,000 miles on it, this vehicle comes equipped with an automatic transmission. What makes this car even more unique is its history. It has spent the last 10 years in storage after being painted, indicating that it has not only been well maintained, but has also been stored in safe conditions for an extended period. It's important to note that the car currently does not have an engine and transmission, but the seller provides the option of installing a 454 engine. Additionally, there is the possibility of purchasing an additional spare car as part of the package, making this car even more attractive to those willing to take on restoration work. According to the description, most parts for reassembly are available, and the frame is in fantastic condition, clean and sturdy. This offer is ideal for those seeking a vintage car restoration project with the opportunity to incorporate their own ideas and styles. The price for this 1982 GMC 2500 regular cab is $6,000. The chance to acquire not just a car, but a project that can become a unique creation makes this offer particularly enticing for collectors and vintage car enthusiasts. 4. I currently have an exciting opportunity to tell you about a 1977 Chevrolet C10, which is listed for sale at $6,950. This magnificent car has traveled 70,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior body color is green, and the interior is done in black, creating a stylish contrast. This 1977 Chevy C10 pickup boasts a powerful 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 400 tranny, transforming it into a true hot rod and retro pickup. Imported from Virginia, this truck not only looks fantastic, but also performs exceptionally well. It has a replaced 5.7-liter engine, and the turbo 400 transmission has been rebuilt. Among the new parts are the manifold, dual exhaust, carburetor, water pump, master cylinder, and many others. The condition of the car is assessed as very good, and it's ready for a new owner. The body of this Chevy is in excellent condition, with minimal rust, only 5%. Despite a minor repair to the driver's front end, the overall body is rated above average. The paint looks good, The rear fenders are straight, and the side panels have been replaced. The interior space is also in good condition, with new tires and rims adding style and character to this pickup. This truck is suitable for those who appreciate the work done back in the day. Excellent frame condition, some part replacements, and overall neatness. The seller emphasizes that the price is reasonable and potential flaws, such as minor corrosion on the front hood and unsuccessful work on the upper part of the driver's door, are reflected in the description. This car is ready to find its new home, especially for Christmas, and is waiting for a caring owner ready to appreciate its unique character and history. 5. I have an excellent opportunity to present to you the stunning 1934 Ford 40, currently available for sale at $35,000. This unique car, with a 5-window coupe body, is assessed to be in good condition and ready for a new owner. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this 1934 Ford 40 boasts a stylish black exterior and interior, creating an elegant contrast. The car for sale features a steel body and running boards, along with glass front fenders, making it not only stylish but also durable. Under the hood of this beauty is a powerful 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 350 transmission. The Mustang front suspension and Chevy 10-bolt coil rear suspension ensure control and comfort while driving. The presence of air conditioning adds comfort during the journey. This 1934 Ford 40 comes with a clean title, instilling confidence in the future owner. However, as indicated in the description, some elements may require attention. For example, the car may need a new top insert, and not all gauges on the panel are functional. Nevertheless, it is an overall great car that just needs some minor improvements. In summary, this 1934 Ford 40 offers a unique opportunity to acquire a stylish and powerful car with history. It is already capable of starting, moving, and braking. And despite some minor flaws, it is offered at a very reasonable price for those willing to invest a little care and love into this classic car. 6. I currently have an excellent opportunity to introduce you to the amazing 1981 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Sedan, which is currently offered for sale at $3,500. This splendid sedan, with an automatic transmission, looks stylish in its blue exterior and beige interior. A notable feature of this car is its ownership history. It has been in the hands of one owner since the time of purchase. Additionally, it is a unique offer as the car is already paid off, and it comes with a clean title. The seller claims that the car has no significant damages or issues and literally runs and moves like new. This Oldsmobile 98 Regency sedan has only one owner. It has covered only 12,125 miles, and according to the seller, this is the original mileage. After the owner's death in 2003, the car was hardly used and kept in the garage. As a result of being stored in the garage since the acquisition, several comprehensive updates were performed. A new battery, generator, air conditioner compressor, complete brake system, new tires, radiator, water pump, and an oil change. The car boasts an amazing interior condition that looks like new. It has also undergone several repairs, such as the installation of new tires and an exhaust system. The owner claims that the car cruises at 75 miles per hour on the road like magic, and all systems, including lights, instruments, clock, cruise control, heating, and air conditioning, are fully functional. However, as the seller states, the car requires some attention. It will need minor paint repair and polishing, as well as some minor improvements. Overall, it is an excellent car with a rich history, and its current condition makes it an attractive option for those who appreciate vintage cars in pristine condition. 7. Currently, I present to you the unique 1964 Chevrolet Belair, which is available for sale at $28,500. This magnificent car, with 76,521 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and has a pristine white exterior with a red interior. This 1964 Chevy Belair is the second owner, originally owned in Mississippi. It features the original 283 cubic inch engine and a Powerglide 2-speed transmission. It is a factory model with air conditioning. All suspension work was done at Street Machinery Workshop under the guidance of Boris from Ohio, a full air suspension system, a new dual exhaust, and 20-inch billet specialty wheels. The car is equipped with a front drum brake system from a Corvette. The glass and trim of the car are in incredible condition, and the interior remains original with excellent carpet condition. Some wear is visible on the front driver's seat and a bit on the rear seat, but overall, the interior is very good and looks appealing. This car, having traveled just over 76,000 original miles, comes with the original invoice and manual, as well as a clean title. It impresses with its original white paint, showing a slight patina, but without signs of rust. The car has a very clean undercarriage, trunk, side panels, and so on. Delivery arrangements are possible. This 1964 Chevrolet Belair has no significant damages or issues, and its current condition, history, and features like the air suspension and Corvette brakes make it an exciting proposition for collectors and classic car enthusiasts. 8. Currently, you have the opportunity to meet the stunning 1966 Ford Mustang, which is available for sale at $26,000. This beautiful car, with 40,700 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and features exterior and interior colors in shades of blue. This Mustang, fully paid off and with a clean title, is captivating from the first glance. Despite only having 40,685 miles, it's worth noting that the title is mileage exempt. The car has been the winner of several local car shows in its category over the past 5 years, emphasizing its impeccable condition. Always garage stored and rarely exposed to rain, this Mustang has an outstanding appearance, and driving it is a pleasure. It has become a true cruiser. A complete restoration was carried out by Roger Nelson, an enthusiast from Wisconsin, and was completed around 2014, as confirmed by all the records. The car was purchased by the Schumets in May 2016. All subsequent work and maintenance are documented with reports and receipts in a separate table. Key information includes the 200 cubic inch engine with 120 horsepower, C4 automatic transmission, power steering, electric top, blue vinyl interior with wood inserts, and a console with dual color and decorative wire wheel caps. This 1966 Ford Mustang is not just a car. It's a story, an embodiment of style, and meticulous attention to detail. It's ready to capture the heart of a new owner and become a star not only at car shows but also on the roads. 9. Now I'll tell you about the 1955 Ford Victoria, capturing attention with its exhibition price of $25,000. This delightful car, with 81,300 miles on the odometer, is equipped with an automatic transmission and painted in a stylish black color. This 1955 Ford Victoria is powered by a 312 cubic inch engine and a 2-speed transmission. The seller notes that the car is completely original, has a Kentucky title with no signs of rust. Additionally, this car offers convenience with power windows. Interestingly, the car originally used a 6-volt system but was upgraded to an 8-volt system. This Ford Victoria maintains its originality and character even with some updates. In conclusion, this is an excellent opportunity to acquire a cult car from the 1950s that will not only amaze with its history, but also provide the pleasure of driving with added comfort and style. 10. Now I present to you an exciting opportunity to become the owner of a stunning 1968 Chevrolet Impala, available for purchase at $22,000. This magnificent car, with a mileage of 131,550 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission and is framed in a passionate red color both on the exterior and interior. This 1968 Impala is a 2-door hardtop fastback with matching numbers. Under its hood is the original 307 V8 engine, paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. The car has been updated with a new interior, stylish new wheels, and Foose tires. Additionally, shock absorbers have been replaced, new brakes and steering system installed, along with a new exhaust. The quality of the ride is accentuated by power brakes and power steering. The owner has freed the car from financial obligations, and as a result, you get a fully paid vehicle. This Impala not only stands out with its stylish exterior, but also provides a reliable means of transportation that you can confidently take anywhere. Inside, everything is set up for a comfortable ride, making it not only an attractive car for collectors, but also a great option for daily use.